Hey friends, happy Friday. It is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and it's a little mayhem here as usual. We're getting all ready for our show today at 12 noon, and we're kind of honoring, highlighting, and sharing about pollinator. It's pollinator week. I don't know if y'all knew that. You know, that's a big deal for us because we have such a huge community of native bees on our farm here, and the local, I call him my bugologist, our local extension agent many years ago who kind of specialized, in bees, were kind of native bees, were kind of his thing. He really felt like the reason that we had such a huge community here, and now 20 years later it's even bigger, is because we grow so many Rudbeckias, black-eyed Susans. Because, there's endless varieties. I grow about 10 probably. And it's that presence that really makes home base to all these native bees. And this morning, even though it is so hot outside, y'all, I've been out there videoing on the Rudbeckia reseeded patch, which I just posted the reel. You have to go check it out. But today on the show, we have harvested. This is just some of what you're going to see. These Rudbeckias are not only amazing cut flowers, and there's so many different colors and textures and varieties to choose from, and they're incredibly prolific, but they're great for native bees. So it's like one of those, bonus crops where we leave some of the stems in the garden, and folks, those native bees just devour it. So today at 12 noon, inside my app, we'll be going live. And if you just comment app here, we'll DM you the link. And if you can't catch it live, check the replay out. You can watch the replays inside the app and actually shop too. And we highlight the week's harvest is what this show is all about. And today we have a really fun thing that you can think about. Most of the flowers that you're going to see in the harvest section of the show are being donated to an organization here locally where they use the donated flowers to make little arrangements for hospital patients. And it was started by some doctors at Virginia Commonwealth University several years ago, residents, and just seeing how many people don't have somebody, right, and that might need a bright spot. So we're excited that today is our first day of making that donation. They're going to be picking up the flowers from us and passing them on through this whole chain of volunteers. And you can check them out. I'll actually try to tag them in here. The simple sunflower is their handle. But anyway, we're super excited. So you can think about that while you're watching the show today, as all these flowers are making a journey to some new folks that'll really, really get lifted. And so I'm always giving away something on the show. Today, again, I am giving away a $25 store credit, y'all. You have to attend live to enter and to also claim your prize. So 12 noon Eastern time, meet me right inside the app. If you don't have our app, you can find it at your phone's app store. Just search Gardener's Workshop, or you can just comment app here and I'll DM it to you. And then join us at 12 noon. We have a lot of fun. When you have the app, you can participate in the conversation with the other viewers. You can enter the giveaway. You can build favorites list. You can watch replays. There's just a lot of great stuff. So friends, I can't wait to show you. And we also have our first, wait a minute, maybe I should show you now. Stand by. Big, beautiful bucket. Look at these zinnias, y'all. Oh my gosh. Meet these guys today on the show. How I could bite them, right? So join me at 12 noon Eastern time. Get the app, comment app if you want me to DM it, or just search your phone's app store. And friends, we'd love to have you join us. We have Andrew and Susie and Suzanne here are the backstage crew, and we're going to have a great show, and we have got a ton of flowers to show you guys. And I'm bumping up Stevie's jalapeno pepper babies. All right, friends, ciao.